Tumigil na ako dyan! Hindi naman ako maselan, hindi ako isabay! Kaya!
Philippines Divisional Elections, CEF number 24. Certificate of Canvas of Votes and Proclamation of Winning Candidate for Mayor. May 12, 2025 national, local, and farm parliamentary elections. We, the undersigned members of the City Board of Canvassers, do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 1,584 class precincts for the candidates wherein for mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part thereof is the statement of votes by precincts CEF number 20-8 garnered by each candidate for the office of mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Dumagoso Isko Moreno garnered 580,805 votes for the office of mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office.
Iwan na apat na taon!
On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above named mayor of NCR City of Manila, province of NCR Manila. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our landmarks in the City of Manila, province of NCR Manila on May 13, 2025, 8:50 p.m. Jenny Menes, Chairperson, Giovanni Dini, Vice Chairperson, Teresa Lumeda, Member Secretary.
Yeah! Nasaan na si Ian?
Wala na po, uwi na.
Di ba ano ba siya?
Uwi na.
Congratulations, pamilya Dumagoso. Ngayon na, pamilya. Yorme! 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 Kom! Kom! Kuya Kom!
I have no words, but thanks to the people of Manila. I'm grateful to each and every citizen of the city. In this type of mandate, I really owe it to you. I will do my best to be a better mayor of the city. And lastly, alam ko sa Duterte pa kumupo, baka naman kumipisa pa yung salita na yun. Nananawagan ako sa inyo. Let's start healing this island.
Yeah!
sabi nga, let's be magnanimous in victory. Kaya pinagawa ko sa inyo lahat, paupahin nyo na ang damdamin ninyo. Huwag tayo mag-away-away. Let's move on in our lives. We must work together because together